everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn a beautiful song by R.E.M, the One I Love. This song is quite easy as it only uses a few chords, and in this tutorial I'm also going to be showing you how to play the main guitar riff, which works quite well on the ukulele. Anyway, the chords that you need are E minor, G, C, and D. However, instead of D, you can use this very interesting chord, D sus2. Now, you could be using this one every time you see D, but if you want to sound closer to the original recording, you also need this one, D sus4. Suspended chords are quite interesting and easy to play, and so if you would like to know more about them, let me know in the comments. Having said that, let's start working on the verse. This is the strumming pattern. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. One more time. 3, 4, down, down, up, down. This is the chord progression for the verse. By the way, you don't have to play D sus2. In fact, for this song, you can simply play D all the time you see a D sus2 or a D sus4, and it will still work. One more thing, you might have noticed that the verse has two parts. The main one with E minor and D sus2, and then a variation, which I wrote in blue. In the variation, you have two chords in one measure, D sus4 and D sus2. So you will play two chords within one strumming pattern, like this, 3, 4, and again, D sus4, D sus2. You might have noticed that I changed the chord on the second upstroke. One more time, 3, 4, down, down, up, down. Now let me play the entire verse for you. 3, 4, E minor, D sus2, E minor, E minor, E minor, D sus2, E minor, E minor, G, D sus4, D sus2, C, C, E minor, D sus2, E minor, E minor. Now let's work on the chorus. As you probably know if you follow me, it's better to use different strumming patterns for different sections of a song. This is even more important in this song because the chord progression of the chorus is very similar to the one of the verse. In fact, you are simply playing the first part of the verse. So the strumming pattern that I suggest you use for the chorus goes like this. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. You might not be familiar with this pattern, but it works very well with the song. Let's play it again. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. This is the chord progression. Let's see how it sounds with the strumming pattern you've just learned. 3, 4, E minor, D sus2, E minor, E minor, E minor, D sus2, E minor, E minor. Now let me show you a simple arrangement of the guitar riff that is played in the intro and also in the chorus. It goes like this. 3, 4. Okay, let's break it down. So you start with an E minor on beat 1. Then you keep the shape and you play 4, 3 hammer onto 5, and then 2. All together, 3, 4, For the right hand, I'm strumming with my thumb, and then for the finger picking part, I'm using the thumb for the third string, the index for the second one, and the middle finger for the first one. You carry on and you strum this chord. Open fourth string, 4, 5, and 5, which by the way, I'm strumming with my index. Then you have 4, 5, 4, 7 pull off the 5, using the pinky, and then fret number 5. All together, 3 and 4 and now let's move to the last part of the riff. You strum E minor on beat 1, then you have 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, and 0. Again, 3, 4. The riff is done. Let's put it together slowly. 3, 4. Of course, this is a ukulele arrangement of the original guitar riff. It's not 100% the same, but I think it sounds pretty close. By the way, if you want to play the chords for the intro, the chord progression is the same as the one from the chorus. Now you know the main parts of the song, and this is the structure. By the way, this is the chord progression for the solo. Here you can use the strumming pattern you used in the verse, or if you prefer, you can work out your own strumming pattern. This is a tutorial on how to do it. So let's have a play along where I'm gonna be playing the intro, the verse and the chorus. And then you can decide how to arrange your own cover of the One I Love. The tempo will be 128 BPM, which is the tempo of the song in the original recording. Having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. The aim of this tutorial was to give you an overview of the One I Love by R.E.M, so that you can put together your own cover of it. On my Patreon page you can find the chord chart, the tabs for the riff and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. Don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this song. And if you want to take your playing to the next level, have a look at my free course here on YouTube and download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process to follow to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I got available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!